allowing your eyes to be closed and relaxing into your body just as it is. Releasing any tension that can be released, softening. Bringing attention into the heart center, this center of the chest where we often experience strong emotion, both joy and sorrow. You could even imagine breathing in and out of the heart center. With the intention of caring, of compassion, of merciful awareness, breathing into your own heart, tending to the difficulties in your life, the losses, the fears. Just breathing in with the intention of self-care, caring about your emotions, your sensations, your mind states. This is sometimes done with the phrase, "May I be at ease with myself just as I am. May I be at ease with the pain in my life, with the joy in my life, with the hopes and fears that exist in my mind. May I come to be at ease." And bringing to mind some of the specific difficulties, pains, losses, some of the suffering that you've been encountering lately. And breathing that suffering, the awareness of that suffering into the heart center, and feeling that it might even hurt a bit to turn towards it. And breathing out compassion, care, the intention to let go of the resentments we may be holding, a compassionate response. And with each breath, breathing in the difficulties, the sorrows of our life. And breathing out as much care as we can muster in this moment towards our own difficulties, towards our own sorrow, our own suffering. The intention of meeting it with compassion. Breathing in the suffering. And if you are a visual type of person, traditionally one would visualize the in-breath as kind of a dark, heavy cloud that was like smoke almost. And as you exhale, you would visualize it having been purified by the heart and being clear and a refreshing, compassionate response. Breathing in hot, thick. Breathing out, clear, cool. Of course, we're not creating anything here, just the difficulties that exist, just what is. Tending to our own pain, remembering our worthiness of our own attention. And then opening to include your loved ones, your friends, family, the suffering that you know about in their lives. Knowing that your heart is big enough, your capacity greater than we ever imagined. Opening to the suffering of our friends, our community. Breathing in that hot, heavy, thick suffering, and breathing out compassion. The intention to meet the pain of others with friendliness and mercy, with compassion and forgiveness. Including the people that you work with, the people that you serve, that you are trying to help in one way or another, clinically or personally. Breathing in their suffering, but also breathing it out, breathing out compassion. You don't have to hold it, just caring about it. Breathing out compassion towards all of the suffering of mental illness, addiction. Breathing out compassion for all of the maladaptive strategies, the confused ways that people respond to the pain in their life. Breathing in the suffering of the human condition, this sensitive psyche, so easily traumatized. Breathing out compassion for this human condition. Ultimately, we expand to all beings everywhere, breathing in the suffering of the whole world, breathing out compassion for the whole world, all beings in all realms, including yourself in this reflection. May all beings be free from suffering. May all beings be met with kindness and compassion. And then releasing the compassionate aspect of the practice and just coming into mindfulness here now. Your breath, your body sitting, your mind with its moods, its habits. And beginning to invite in and turn towards the joy. Again, breathing into the heart center. Things you appreciate, you're grateful for, you enjoy in your life. The healthy connections, the appropriate pleasures. Breathing in the joy, breathing out appreciation, gratitude, thankfulness. Beginning to extend this with this perspective of empathy and appreciation for other people's happiness and joy, thinking of your loved ones, friends, and family. The laughter, breathing in the joy of others. Breathing out appreciation, inclining the heart and mind, empathetic joy or sympathetic joy. And including the clients, including the patients, the friends, the people we have the intention to support, to serve. All of the successful treatments, all of the successful healings and recovering. And breathing out appreciation for the happiness of others. Even if it's just moments, even if it's just the experience of some relief. Meeting it with appreciation, with almost a celebration, something to be celebrated when suffering decreases and joy increases. In this way we expand, we incline the heart towards appreciative joy in all directions. Until we include all living beings and the happiness and the well-being that does exist in this world. May all beings be met with kindness and appreciation. And just resting again in mindfulness, present time, non-judgmental awareness of the 10,000 joys and 10,000 sorrows that is our life, that is the human condition. Not ignoring the mind, but including it, so that our awareness is inclusive of sensations and emotions, thoughts, with the intention to meet our own experience with compassion when it's unpleasant, and to meet our own experience with non-attached appreciation when it's pleasant. Nothing worth clinging to, nothing worth creating extra suffering around.